So it says a quick and easy way to bond many types of material. This is material, okay? Peace, beauties. Welcome and welcome back to Here and There with Kortney. And of course, it's your girl Kortney. So today I am so excited, super elated because today I am going to be trying and installing a lace front. Something I've never done on the channel, something I've never done in my life. And I decided I'm just going to go ahead and just wing it and just try to get through this process with you all. So yeah, I watched a few videos, you know, that's usually how it goes. I have an idea of what needs to be done, but you know, when you have an idea, you know what, we're going to bring the idea to life. We're going to think positive and we're just going to go ahead and get it done. So with that being said, let's get right into this hair. The hair came in this little purple satin bag. It came with a nice little, of course, wig cap, as they do. And then actually you all, here is the hair. All right, this is the hair. This is the hair. And the specs on this hair is, it is 18-inch, 13 by 4, glueless lace frontal. It is said to have baby hairs and pre-plucking already in place. I don't know, you have to let me know. So these hairs are definitely shorter, so I'm assuming they are baby hair strands right there. You can see them. I think that it needs a little bit more plucking though. I don't know if that's given natural or if it still has that little Michael Myers look to it. We're gonna see once we put her on. So as far as the hair and what I've done to it so far, I did wash this hair already. I washed this hair, I let it air dry by sunlight, then I did take an iron to it, like a literal iron, just to kind of get it back flat as possible. And I just want to give you all a quick, I have a very bad habit of leaving strands of hair in my detangler, but I want to go ahead and give her a few strokes for you all, just so that you can see if there's any shedding for yourself. I like to do that. Shed check. All right, so the hair is very soft. This is supposed to be a natural color. I feel like when I washed it, it got a little bit lighter. So as you can see, there is no shedding. Okay, so we're with the virgin. That's what it is said to be. And so let's get into the inside details. So it's a 13 by 4, so I guess that's 13 across and then 4 back, and that's what it is looking like. There are 2 teeth or sets of combs on the top sides and then 1 in the back. There's also a lace piece at the nape of the neck. And what else? I think that is pretty much all I can say about the wig for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm so nervous, y'all. I'm so nervous. I just really don't want to like mess it up. I kind of really want to rock out, vibe out. So warning. I have some crazy fuzzy braids under here that you're all about to see, okay? Ta-da! Okay, so it's not super snug, but it is fitting. And the hair is right at my earlobe. It's a little, you can see where it is right there, a little behind it. So I did get me some freeze spray, some Got2b freeze spray, and I'm wondering, should I give it a spray and then cut around it, or should I take it off and cut around it? I don't know what to do, y'all. I'm so nervous. So I think what I'm gonna do is kind of, because at first I wasn't going to really seriously attach it, but I think I should, just so that I could, because it does look like this hair needs some additional like plucking. It looks like it might be a decent hairline, but not my hairline, right? And then at the same time, I'm very nervous because I ain't never done no hairline stuff. So with that being said, you all, I don't think that it is that, I think I'm gonna time lapse through this because it's not like a teaching experience. I don't know what I'm doing. It's really just me doing what I know, what I think I can do, and sharing that process with you all. So as far as the hair is concerned, you already know I'm gonna link all the information in the description box down below, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera in time-lapse mode so that I can just go ahead and kind of figure out what we're doing and decide if I'm gonna do freeze spray or not, or what, and all of that. All right, y'all, so I have just cut off the ears. I want you all to let me know down in the comment section below if you have faith in me in this process. Do you believe that I'm gonna come out victorious in this installation, or do you think that this is going to be an epic fail? I am so, let me know right now. Go ahead and before this video even ends, before you actually finish it off, you see how I have this. We got the Michael Myers going. Let me know if you have faith in me. Do you think this is going to be something that I can pull off, or am I going to fail? I just tightened my wig. She is secured already. So now I'm like, do I freeze spray or don't I freeze spray? I don't know. I don't know. Y'all help me get to 1,000 subs so that I can start going live and you guys can share this experience with me, because this is going to be a new journey right here with the lace front life, okay? And we're going to try to keep the content on this channel fun and learn, because I don't know everything, but I would love to know about my hair, about styling my hair. I do know when it comes to natural styles, but I am at a loss when it comes to these lace fronts and things like that. So pretty much all I just did was cut off or cut out my ear space. And as you can tell, I feel like I already took off too much. Yep, sure did. Cause look, oh gosh, I know some of y'all are like, fail right now. Run into the comment section. I've already kind of, yeah, I took off too much. I definitely should have left that down, but I wasn't thinking it would really be an issue. And then on this side, it's not an issue. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and likely try to just kind of figure out what's going on. Let me just put y'all back in time-lapse mode. Are you team Kortney or are you team, girl, go see a professional. Let me know how y'all feeling, all right? All right, y'all, so I had to cut this lace off screen because, I don't know, I just needed to. And so now we're about to go ahead and attempt to put her back on, y'all. And I hope that I didn't take off too much. This is what she's looking like. And yeah, y'all, I'm nervous and I'm scared. I hope I didn't ruin her, honestly. That'll really like break my whole entire heart. Like, I really don't want to fail in front of you all, or in front of myself, in front of you all. Peace, people. I'm so sorry about that. My camera actually cut off and I took the time to kind of fix my scalp, like with a little bit of makeup, the same makeup that you all saw me mix. I just kind of went over the line a little bit, and then I took the cap off and did it on the inside more than the outside. So what do y'all think? Do y'all think I'm giving, oh, I got a little makeup there on my hair. That's giving a more natural feel, right? But I don't really feel like it's good. Like, it's not, I definitely need to go over it and do it a little better. But I definitely feel like it's giving better scalp. And I don't think I want to like really mess with the middle part for plucking, but I do feel like around the edges might need some plucking. That's why I feel like I'm giving a little Michael Myers. You all can see where I use my makeup to kind of color in the lace and make it a little bit more, matching my complexion. It's less lace on this side than it is over here, clearly. Should I take that off? Let me go ahead and take off some of that lace. So I did pull up 2 items, and I started thinking while I was trying to like separate my edges, because they grown, they done graduated, right? While I was trying to separate my edges, the ear flaps just kept popping up, and it was annoying me. I was like, you know what, this will look cute if I could just get it to just stay like right here. You know what I'm saying? So I figured what I'm gonna do is use this no sew thread glue. It's not glue, it is adhesive, it is machine washable, so water is not going to affect it or anything like that. I wanna see how long it's gonna take to actually dry. It says a quick and easy way to bond many types of material. This is material, okay? So I am going to use this along with silicone elastic wig band, and that is this right here. I have already pre-cut out a portion of it. So I am going to attempt, I should just sew it down and just stop, don't even play myself and get with this, but I've been wanting to use this. I've been wanting to see, maybe this isn't the time to see, right? All right, so we're not gonna use this, but it says liquid thread. It says no sew thread. So I think it should be fine. I'm gonna use it. So I am going to go ahead and use this and tap, 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 and try to go ahead and get it stuck to both ear ends and see if I can get that sticking up issues taken care of, because it was bugging me, y'all. I think this is okay. It could be better, but this is the first time. Beginners. Okay, so let me just go ahead and see if I can attach. We are back, and y'all, so much has changed. So much has changed at this. The liquid thread wasn't even tacking enough, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna sew it on. And so this is what we did. We went ahead and we sewed on at the lobes some band. However, as you can see, it's doubled up right there because your girl sewed on a little too much, okay? First time for everything that I'm trying today, and I'm really just trying to be successful, y'all. So make sure that you like this video because I'm really trying out here in these streets. So I want to go ahead and get this on and see what it's given. All right, so let me just go ahead and adjust the back because the back has a lot of things. Now, first of all, I'm glad that I went back and attached that middle piece because it's definitely snugger, and I'm pretty sure it's not lifting at the earlobes. The only thing I'm concerned about is that I actually lobed or sewed at the right points on the, I did not. Well, not exactly, but it does feel a little bit better. You know what it is? That's right, I actually ended up cutting the parts that I should be trying to tape down. So unfortunately, that was kind of a waste of time. Well, not really, because this side is giving more natural, but you know what? It's fine. We have additional security. That's all that means. That means that there's more security in the building, okay? So what I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do at this point is just go ahead and finish trying to get myself some, what's the word I'm looking for at this point? I'm a little bit, I'm not discouraged. I know some of y'all are probably like, girl, you should be. Hang it up, hang it up. I'm not discouraged. This is definitely still a learning process for me, which was the whole point And I am loving this hair though. I really wish that I probably should have went and just let some professionals put it in for me, so I could have had this bomb ASS wig to rock out in. But this is going to be a very memorable experience, and I'm likely never going to toss this wig out because this is my first ever lace front installation situation. Okay, so, and who knows, maybe things will turn around. So if you are one of the hopefuls who say, girl, you're gonna do it right, you're gonna get it, stay tuned because we will see. I'm about to put you all back in time-lapse mode as I figure out my next step. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is what's going on. This is my situation. I'm about to go sit under this dryer, and when y'all see me come back, we're gonna have a big grand reveal on whether this worked or not, whether this makes sense or not, whether she look a fool or not, whether this was a win or a fail or not. So make sure that you have already decided whether this is team fail, team win, you're gonna pull through, team Kortney, or whatever encouraging comments you got to say or discouraging comments you got to say. Go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna be right back with a finalized shook. All right, because I have belief in myself, so I'm about to come right back with a finalized shook, not a look. You already, you know the vibes. All right, y'all. All right, beauties, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Can you tell that I'm kind of satisfied? All right, y'all, how did I do? Let me know in the comment section how I did. This is my final look. I think for my very first time ever installing a lace front and doing it on myself, I did an okay job. Now let me just tell you all, I'm not really a bone straight hair type of girl. I usually go for a more kinky, coily, curly, Marley even style look. You can look back at my videos and already get an idea of what I generally like. And so even when I have straight hair, I like it to be messy. I like it to be, you know, a little wild, a little, you know, here, there, everywhere. You know, that's how I like it. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you all a spin just so you guys can let me know how the back is looking and if I did an okay job. I love this hair, and I am really into my very first installation. I am so excited, y'all. For those of you who was like, she got this, shout out to you. Like I said earlier, you're the real MVP. Did I say that earlier? Even if I didn't, you're the real MVP. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you leave a like if you like this video. Just like this video because your girl worked really, really hard, y'all. This took hours. There's a lot that happened off screen that y'all didn't see that needed to happen in order for me to accomplish and achieve this look. My makeup is okay. I'm still working on these brows and learning a few things, you know, so go ahead and help get your girl to 1,000 subscribers so that this way y'all can help me learn what I need to learn. All right, y'all. With that being said, you know the vibes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And you better be subscribed. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Then turn on that button and get notified. Peace, y'all.